What's the meaning of cube root? Cube root. Cube root.
Cube root. Cube root. The cube root is a mathematical concept that refers to the number which when multiplied 3 times by itself gives the original number. For instance, the cube root of 8 is 2 since 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. The cube root of a negative number can be either positive or negative depending on the original number. The cube root function is denoted by cube root. It is useful in calculating the volume of a three-dimensional cube. In summary, the cube root is a number that, when cubed, produces a given value.